I want to be clear about something. This approach isn't for everyone, and that's intentional. The way I think about marketing and the systems I help teams build requires a different relationship with data, decisions, and time. This approach is for teams who care about long-term performance, teams who understand that sustainable growth doesn't come from chasing tactics, but from building systems that learn. It's for leaders who want fewer surprises, not just better reports, and who recognize that complexity isn't optional anymore. It's the environment we're operating in. This approach works best for teams who are curious. Curious about behavior, curious about patterns, curious about why things are happening, not just what happened. Teams willing to question familiar metrics and rethink how decisions are made. It's not for teams looking for instant wins. It's not for teams who want a dashboard that tells them everything is fine without changing anything underneath. And it's not for teams who only care about last click results without interest in what led there. Because this work doesn't optimize outcomes in isolation. It builds the intelligence that makes outcomes more predictable. Working this way requires patience. Not waiting, but patience in learning. It requires curiosity instead of certainty. And it requires a willingness to let go of some familiar mental models around metrics and performance. That's the real shift. If this way of thinking resonates with you, if you felt friction with how marketing is usually measured, if you've sensed that something important is missing between behavior and decisions, you're already thinking the right way. And this is the point where the challenge isn't belief, it's execution. Good marketing doesn't shout. It listens carefully and builds systems that do the same.